Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about I don't need your extra tip. Doordash driver says customer tried to service him when he made delivery. Well, happy Valentine's Day to you, huh? So while you're on a delivery, whether you're a man or a woman, there's a chance that you're going to deal with somebody, whether it's in the restaurant or with the customer, that are pretty down bad, if you know what I mean. So with that said, I want to go over everything that's being said in this article, how it actually is for gig workers and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. A prolific Houston-based TikToker who documents his misadventures driving for DoorDash claimed that a customer tried to service him when he made a delivery to her hotel. I mean, I guess if they're traveling, they don't have to worry about maintaining a certain image, you know what I mean? The video comes from creator Maliekr at Maliekr, who was featured in the Daily Dot last month when a customer trying to order alcohol without an ID threatened to slap him. Like the last one, this latest tale runs a full 3 minutes and adds his online lore of being, as his bio claims, a regular guy living a rich life. He posted the video to the platform on January 7th and is now approaching the 40,000 view mark. The things you do for content, huh? I'm going to leave his TikTok as well as his profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. And as long as we're plugging stuff, I have actually covered the last 2 times this man has gone viral in this literal year so far. I think this is the 3rd time this year that he's went viral like this. I will leave those videos in the description. Feel free to check those out as well. The video started with the no nonsense on-screen caption. This girl tried to service me while door dashing, before Maliekr set the scene of him approaching the hotel with a delivery. Apparently, the hotel worker allowed Maliekr to take the order to the customer's room rather than leaving it at the front desk. Yeah, so some hotels have different rules than others. Some actually want you to bring it to the hotel room itself. Some actually are like, no, you gotta leave it here. They gotta come down, etc., etc. Some customers are even cool enough to meet you outside. It depends on what hotel you're talking about, but in this particular case, they're having them go up. Even though Maliekr questioned the permissiveness of what he termed this rundown effing hotel, he went up to the customer's room. One of those hotels, huh? Oh, this is gonna be great. First of all, the girl has leave at the door as part of the delivery instructions, but she's like, knock first, Maliekr narrated. Though perplexed by the request, he knocked only to hear the customer say, hold on. Yet usually when I see leave at the door, most cases I don't knock, unless it is actually requested of me. And sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. But when I do, I just kind of dip. So the fact that she had to say, hold on, I'd be like, oh, I could get a new cash tip. That could be awesome. Maliekr expressed that he didn't want to hold on and instead wanted to just leave the order at the door. However, he waited a moment regardless. When the customer opened the door, she was only wearing a towel. Yeah, I would only hold on with the minor assumption that I would potentially get a cash tip, but not happening here. She grabs my whole arm and then was like, come inside real quick, the TikToker said. What in the adult online movie scene is that? Not into it, he claimed. He pushed her away, gave her the order, headed back down the hall to catch the elevator. He dipped. He did not want anything to do with it. I'm actually curious, what did this woman look like to where he was so like, nah, chill, I gotta go? She called him after with, are you serious? And are you really not gonna come inside? But Maliekr expressed that he wasn't interested in what the customer described as an extra tip. Wouldn't that be more like you're giving her a tip? And I'm like, no, I'm good. I don't need your extra tip, bro. He said, like, you tipped on the app, that's good enough for me. Well, fair enough. After expressing that the encounter was stranger danger and was getting in the way of his aim to make money, Maliekr noted that he contacted DoorDash's driver service so he wouldn't get paired with that person again and was sent an incident report to fill out. Yeah, so in case some of you guys don't know, we actually now have the ability to block certain customers from ordering with us specifically, so we wouldn't be able to work with them in the future. In fact, I made a video about blocking customers on DoorDash. I'll leave them in the description. Feel free to check it out. In the comment section, viewers had a range of reactions. Some noted that this should be a delivery driver's dream. Others registered similar alarm, and some expressed concern about the hotel's lax security policy. One commenter, however, had a suggestion for how to handle the fateful page in Maliek's Choose Your Own Adventure gone awry. Is that what we're calling it now? Choose Your Own Adventure? I see all the perspectives here. Delivery driver's dream, the alarming perspective, concern about the hotel security, but one person's like, choose your own adventure? What is that? When they say knock and it's leave at the door, take my pick and knock like the cops and dip. Don't even wait for an answer, the commenter noted. Here's the thing. If I heard hold on, I'm thinking I'm potentially getting a cash tip. Not that I am potentially having a thing with the customer. I don't know if I would have stuck around for the customer or if I would have left, but I think he did the right thing. I think he dipped when he should have. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. This is actually something the ladies have to deal with more than with guys, but it just goes to show that it happens both ways. Some guys would be totally into it. Some guys would not be. He's one of the guys that wouldn't be. And he was like, no, I gotta get back to the hustle. It's that simple. And honestly, you gotta be careful with these rundown hotels that have some questionable people receiving orders. You could call it stranger danger. You could call it whatever you want, really. All in all, I think it was a good call that you left when you did. But just keep in mind, I think I would have done the exact same thing he would have done. Because if I got a cash tip, it would have been better. In his case, it was she wanted a tip of her own. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.